Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com, here with another You Can't Make This Shit Up. We'll call this Part 9, Volume 11. Okay, I want to give everybody fair warning here. There is going to be extensive use of profanity with zero bleeps in this video. Before we dive in, I want to thank everybody who shops with us. We really appreciate all your support, right? We're having a hell of a year during this corona apocalypse, and it's all because of you all out there. Thank you very much. I like to share some of the things that we experience from time to time when I feel they're funny enough to be shared. And I've got two fine examples of just that right here in front of me. If you remember back, this entire You Can't Make This Shit Up series, it all started with this epidemic we had. People were ordering exhaust systems thinking they're getting a whole fucking motorcycle, right? It's like you're going to open a box that no way the motorcycle could fit in, and it's going to be like a little Chia bike in there. You put some fucking water on it, shazam, you've got a whole motorcycle you can now ride, and amazing, you got it for $600 when that bike really cost $15,000. Well, that's never actually stopped. That is a continual flow, no matter what you do, no matter what you say, and we got another great example of just that. But even better than that were the messages the customer sent after he ordered the Akrapovic Kawasaki Ninja H2 slip-on exhaust. It's about $1,300 part, right? That's a really expensive motorcycle. It's available in a couple of versions. The base model's $25,000. This dude thought for $1,300 he was going to get himself a whole Kawasaki Ninja H2. I will give this guy credit. All on his own, he figured out he was never getting a whole motorcycle, and that's when he took action and got behind his keyboard and showed us what's up. Cancel my order, dumbasses. I would respond to that by saying, you're the dumbass who ordered an exhaust system expecting a full motorcycle. I thought I was getting a motorcycle. You dumbasses are sending me a part for a bike I don't have. Yeah, we're going to defer to what I just said, right? You're the dumbass who ordered it when you don't even have the bike. We're going to escalate a little bit here as we go. Stop the order, cocksuckers! Come on, man. Really? That's the best you can do? Oh, no, wait. He can do better. I will sue you and find you. I thought you were selling me a motorcycle. Stop the order, you shitbags. We're getting better, but we'll close it out. This is pretty amazing. You sold me a part for a motorcycle I don't have. You better stop this order or I'll kill you and your whole family. Seriously, right? Just so you know, this order actually was caught by our fraud management software, right? It was never going to get processed anyways. Ever. Who is the dumbass? I would have to say it's probably the dude who ordered the exhaust expecting to get a Ninja H2. We have more. This one, I got to take it on the chin a little bit. We have had one hell of a busy year. You guys have blessed us with a lot of business. It's appreciated. And it's got me doing a lot of things that I wouldn't normally do. The Facebook messages, I'm answering almost all of those now. A lot of customer service messages, I'm jumping in there and I'm helping out because it's almost impossible to hire somebody during this corona apocalypse. I mean, let's face it, the government is literally subsidizing people staying at home. Okay, so it's just very hard to react to the volumes that are happening and manage it with new staff. So we're working our ass off doing the best we can. Part of what I do here is web editing. Okay, I've lost touch with some of the banners I've got flying on the website, and a customer of ours was really upset about that and wanted to send us a personal note. Please take the fucking goddamn $4.99 Corsair X off your goddamn front scam page. You have none available in any size, you fucking Michigan dumbfuck governor cunt idiots. Answer your motherfucking phone and quit blaming your inability to run a business on CNN virus. if you have a lot of business and your phone is ringing off the hook, then hire somebody, you stupid fucking rust belt, nut and bolt turning state dipshits. How do I know you're a fucking idiot? Because you are too dumb to move from scumbag Michigan. I will now call Reveille. I'm pretty sure he meant Revzilla, but based on the punctuation and capitalization used in this, I would say maybe this person's not super smart. They answer the phone. God, that's a bummer. That one, like I said, I got to take it on the chin there because that's actually my fault. I will say the customer's response is just a little bit over the top. You could send a nice note like, hey man, I wanted to buy one of these $499 helmets and notice they were all sold out. Can you take those off the website? We'd be happy to oblige. Until next time, I'm Brian Van, and you can't make this shit up.